In the year 1900, the smartest minds in physics agreed on one thing. Wireless communication across an ocean was impossible. They believed radio waves traveled only in straight lines, so any signal sent from England would shoot straight into space, never curving around the Earth. But on December 11th, 1901, a 27-year-old Italian inventor named Guglielmo Marconi stood on a freezing cliff in Newfoundland, ready to prove them all wrong. He wasn't just battling a storm, he was battling the limits of science itself. At that time, the world's communication depended on massive undersea copper cables, fragile, expensive, and easily broken. If one snapped, the world went silent. Marconi dreamed of something better, invisible bridges through the air. So he climbed Signal Hill, tied a wire to a kite, and let the wind take his hopes into the storm. The first kite was torn away by the wind. The second held. Inside a cold wooden shack, Marconi pressed a receiver to his ear, listening to the static of the atmosphere, waiting for one sound. 3 short clicks. The letter S in Morse code. And then it came. Click, click, click. The impossible had happened. The signal hadn't vanished into space. It had curved around the planet, bouncing off a layer of the sky scientists didn't even know existed yet. The ionosphere. That tiny sound was the birth of wireless communication. 10 years later, his invention would save lives. When the Titanic struck an iceberg in 1912, it was Marconi's wireless that sent out the desperate SOS. The Carpathia heard the call, and more than 700 people survived that icy night. When survivors reached New York, many asked for one man, Marconi. To them, he wasn't just an inventor, he was a savior. That faint 3-dot signal in 1901 had become the heartbeat of the modern world, from radios to Wi-Fi to the phone in your pocket. Marconi showed us that even the invisible can connect us, that the horizon isn't a limit, it's an invitation. And it all began with a kite on a windy hill.